Hey guys, at Zelhan we currently have a client portfolio doing well over 900 million Jamaican dollars in revenues per year. The reason why this is important is because today we're going to outline the exact marketing system we use to serve our clients here at Zelhan. I myself have been working with websites and online marketing for well over half a decade, since 2016. We're going to get started right away. There are two ways to go about getting this system set up in your business. The first way is that you can watch this video and all our other videos and get it set up for yourself. The second way is you can have our team do it for you. If you choose the second route, the first 10 clients that we sign will be given a 20% discount for the entire year of their online business system. So let's get started. The very first thing we're going to start with for this automated system to increase your revenues in your business is we're going to get started with a website. Why a website? Very simple, very quick and to the point. We need a central marketing hub that will automate the lead generation process. When it gets you that visibility, it also needs to convert that visibility, those eyeballs, those website visitors, those people interested in your products or services, to revenues and profits for your business. It also needs to do this without your intervention, 24/7, reliably, consistently, and scalably. So that's the first step. Get a website. But not just any website, a conversion optimized website tailored for your business, for your ideal client, custom design, built from the ground up. You can use a CMS, you can custom code it, but it must be tailored for your clients, for your customers, for your business. The second thing that we're going to do is we're going to put lead generating tools and strategies in place for your website to convert its visitors into leads. In the second part of the strategy, where we actually convert our leads to revenues, we will focus on that. But for now, we're getting website visitors. Here's how we're going to convert them to leads. You need, as Alex Armosa said, to give as much value upfront as possible so that you can build trust and affinity with your website visitors. So what does this look like? In a nutshell, what you need to give to your website visitors to convert them to leads is something that they would normally pay for. Most businesses give away a free ebook or a free consultation. Those are good for service-based businesses or information-based businesses. If you have an e-commerce store, you can give away a 10 or 15% discount on your first order. Another thing that you can do is you can give away a free audit, a free report, an infographic, some research statistics, something of value that your customers or clients would normally pay for. Clients normally pay for consultations. That is why a free consultation works. Customers normally make a purchase. That is why a discount code works. You don't have to reinvent the wheel here. You only need to think to yourself, what is something that is absolutely critical to this business process that my client or customer would pay for, that I can give away for free, knowing that in the future I will make a profit from this. Perfect. So we have our website. Our website is set up to convert website visitors to leads. But that's just the first part of lead generation, giving away something for free. Now we need to find a way to collect our leads. And the way that we're going to do this is for free to get started using email marketing. You can use Klaviyo, you can use MailChimp. They both have a free tier. They're both very popular within the industry. That means that if you have a problem or a question, it's very easy to find a solution for it. MailChimp or Klaviyo for email marketing. But that's just the first part of email marketing. It is not enough to put an email opt-in form on your website, give away something for free, and hope that it all works out. As I once told one of my clients, the idea with email marketing is that whenever someone comes to your website, they will not make a purchase for the first time. They will not become a client the first time. Email marketing gives you a foot in the door at a low cost, at the price of just their email address, perhaps their phone number, their name. You will be able to keep in contact with this lead, with this prospect, with this person who has signaled to you that they're very interested in your business. And we're going to talk in step 2 about getting the right people on your website that are right for your business. What we need to do at this stage now is use our email marketing to build a relationship with them. We're going to do this in 2 ways. The first way is that we are going to use a 3-step welcome email sequence in a drip campaign. Now, what is a drip campaign and a welcome email sequence? Very quickly, as we have videos on these things and we'll continue to make videos on them, a welcome email is an email that is sent to your email subscribers the moment they enter your list. And there's a few things. It tells them that this is who we are, this is when to expect emails from us, this is why you should do business with us. It's introducing yourself to them. And the reason why you use this is because when someone joins your email list, that is the time that they are most likely to read your mails. After that, not so much. So use this as an opportunity to tell them who you are and when they should expect emails from you. And most importantly, use this as an opportunity to tell them why they should open your mails. We're going to teach you how to build better home pools, for example. We are going to teach you how to dress for spring 2024. Whatever the case might be, whatever problem you solve, give them an exact idea of who you are, when to expect communication from you, and what the communication will be about. The second thing that you should do after you set up your 3-step welcome email sequence, you can watch a video here or here that we have on welcome email sequences. It will include 3 emails that you can use in your business for free. The second thing is that you need to send emails to your list regularly. It makes no sense to add them to your list, welcome them to your list, tell them that you will send them contact every week or every other week at the least frequent, and you don't contact them. The reason is because email is supposed to be used to build a relationship with them. If you had a friend who only reached out to you once or twice every month, selling you something, why would you give that friend your money? It's the same thing. Keep in contact, offer value, expect nothing in return. When the time is ready for them to make a purchase, to become a client, you're the one that they will choose. Why? Because by providing value, you establish yourself as an authority leader and someone who can be trusted because you've been teaching them about your problem and possible solutions. Email marketing. So we have the website, we have lead generation set up in our website. All our website visitors are going to our email list. All of this can be done for free. The lead generation can be done for free. The email marketing can be done for free. To get started, you can use a simple website template on Wix or WordPress. I don't recommend it because it's going to be a cookie cutter solution that is not tailored and it's not going to give you the best results. If you don't have a high budget, you can get started with a Zelle and Startup Kit for like $1,500 per month, and that gives you an excellent website and a PPC campaign. For $2,500 per month, you can add email marketing and we manage your email campaigns for you. Speaking of PPC campaigns, let us go to the second part of the strategy. At Zelhan, we believe in the power of the internet, software, and technology to make it easier to start and run a successful business online. Go to Zelhan.com and set up a paid discover session with our team. Tell us the problems holding your business back from increasing revenues, getting more clients, and being successful. Our team will help you develop a strategy or solution to increase your revenues, profits, or solve any business problem that you might have. Tell us your problems, and we will take care of everything else for you. Our paid discover session fee will be removed from your project fee if you work with us within a month of your first discover session. This allows us to do our best work with clients who are serious about working with us. Go to zelhan.com/consultation or click the link in the description of this video to book your first session. Now let's get back to the video. The first part was setting up the automation tool, so whenever we have website visitors, whenever we are asleep, whenever we are on vacation, our system is working for us. Now we need to get input into our system. What does that look like? Website visitors. There are 3 ways we're going to get website visitors. The first way is SEO. Why SEO? Well, most people use SEO, and you're going to see on screen the statistic that you get better leads from SEO. You get a higher conversion rate from SEO of leads becoming clients. So we're going to start with SEO, search engine optimization, which is basically when someone goes to Google and they type into Google the problem that they have, you want to be the solution that appears. The top 3 results in the Google search engine results page gets most of the traffic. SEO gets you in the top 3 positions. Search engine optimization. That's the first way that we're going to use to generate traffic to your website. That traffic will be converted to leads. The second way that we're going to get traffic to your website is by PPC campaigns. Why PPC campaigns? Well, PPC campaigns work really fast. When it can take 6 to 12 months to see results from SEO, PPC campaigns get you results in a day to a month, meaning that your ads can be ranked in top 3 positions within a day or two, and within a month you can know what's working, what's not working, after making some minor adjustments. The PPC platform that I specialize in is Google Ads, but Facebook ads, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok ads, they all work the same. They're all just as good. The reason why I like Google Ads, especially for clients just starting out, is because it puts you in front of your customer, your client, at the moment when they're thinking about the problem that you solve. They go to Google, they have, for example, an aching tooth, toothache remedies. Your dental appointment page can appear, get an extraction with. Can you give an extraction for free if there are any dentists listening? An attractive offer is what I'm saying. The idea is that you want to be there when your customers are ready to do business with you. And while it will take 6 months to a year to get the best results from SEO, the PPC campaigns will speed things up within those first 6 months. After we have our PPC campaign set up, along with SEO, perfect. The last thing that we're going to do is we are going to produce content around your subject area, around the things that you specialize in, the problems that you solve. And why do you create content? The idea is that content is king in online businesses, and in the world of business, cash is king. Content generates revenues for your business by using what's called pull marketing. Pull marketing, a lot like Google Ads, is when instead of you going to your customer with a cold call with an interruptive ad campaign, which is push marketing, and it may not be well received, you use pull marketing where you put content out there in different places. And whenever your ideal client, your ideal customer is ready to do business, is thinking about the problem, they're searching for a solution, it is at that time that they will search the problem that they have and your piece of content will come up. It is pull marketing because it pulls them in. They see your title, the title of your blog post, of your YouTube video. If you're as you're watching this, I'm pretty sure you need clients and you need revenues and profits. We're here for that. They watch your content, they read your content, they learn more about you, about your business, about your methodology. They build an interest. They can decide at that point that this is a solution that I'm interested in, this is not a solution that I'm interested in, or they can just continue to learn more about your business. Your content will build a relationship with them. And here's how this is going to work. In your content, what you want to do is you want to send your traffic to a landing page to become email leads. So you have the website set up, you post content on YouTube, you post content on social media, you post content on your blog. This content gets traffic for people who are interested in your products or services because you're talking about the problems you solve. You're a construction officer, 5 best construction companies in Seattle, for example. You are a programmer, how to hire the best programmers, a 5-step guide. You're producing content that solves the problems that your clients have. They're reading your content, they're interested in learning more. They want to find out if there is the possibility, the opportunity to do business with you. You send them to your email list. In your email list, they get your 3-step welcome email sequence plus weekly email updates from you. They start to learn more about you. They start to build a relationship with you. As they reply to emails, you start to learn about them as well. And you can send them an offer. From there, and this is the bonus, you can go ahead and set up a Calendly link if you are a service-based business. So you can go to Calendly for free, set up a link, and in each of your emails, you send an offer. If you would like more tailored help, go ahead and set up a consultation with me here. You can also use a discount code and a link to your store if you're e-commerce, and if you're software, that's really easy. Just a link to your sign up or subscription page is good. Why this works is because you're playing the long-term game. As everyone knows in investing, day traders never become billionaires, long-term traders do. You're doing the same in your business. You're putting a system there that whenever your ideal client or customer is ready to do business, they can get business done with you. And that is perfect, especially in this day and age. This is a system that we use to generate over 900 million Jamaican dollars in revenues for our clients, and it works. We are launching our program to our international prospects, our international clients. Only 10 spaces are available. For those 10 spaces, we are giving a 20% discount for the entire year. Click the link below or go to zelhan.com/launch special to book your consultation and get started.